Page 37. Modular System. International agreements on planning and execution of building work and for the design and manufacture of building components and semi-finished products are incorporated into national standards. The modular system is a means of coordinating the dimensions applicable to building work. The term coordination is key, indicating that a modular layout involves an arrangement of dimensions and the spatial coordination of structures components. Therefore, the standard deals with geometrical and dimensional requirements. The modular system develops a method of design and construction which uses a coordinated system as a means of planning and executing building projects. A coordinate system is always related to a specific object. Geometric consideration. By means of the system of coordinates, buildings and components are arranged and the exact positions and size specified. The nominal dimensions of components as well as the dimensions of joint and its connections can thereby vary. A coordinate system consists of planes at right angles to each other, displayed according to the coordinate measurements. Depending on the system, the planes can be different in size and in all three dimensions. As a rule, components are arranged in one dimension between parallel coordinate planes so that they fill up to the coordinate dimension, including the allowance allocated to the joint and also taking the tolerance into account. Hence, a component can be specified in one dimension in terms of its size and position. This is referred to as boundary reference. In other cases, it can be advantageous not to arrange a component between two planes, but rather to make the center axis coincide with one plane of the coordinate system. The component is initially specified in one dimension which refers to each axis, but in terms of position only. A coordinate system can be divided into subsystems for different component groups: load rating structure, component demarcating space. It has been established that individual components need not be modularized. Individual steps on stairway, windows, doors. For non-modular components which run along or across the whole building, a so-called non-modular zone can be introduced, which divides the coordinate system into subsystems. The assumption is that the dimension of the component in the non-modular zone is already known at the same time setting out the coordinate system. Size the non-modular zone can only have completely specified dimension. For the possible arrangement of non-modular components, there are so-called center positions and each position within modular zones.